Hello, welcome back. So today we're going to check out the Disney sets and also like Bluey sets and also like Gabby's dollhouse set. So first, this is the Advent calendar Disney 2026, and it actually looks much better than 2025 one. It looks so much prettier and the outfits are really cute too, like little babies. I'm not so sure why they always make Disney into babies in the advent calendar. I think it should be nice if they're also like a bit grown up. Maybe there were also grown up things in the past that I don't know, but anyway, I think it'll be nice if they make them a little bit bigger as well. So that was a very nice advent calendar, and this one is Rapunzel's mini towel, which looks so cute. So many like Disney sets look so wonderful this summer. Anyway, this tower is also really cute. So cute, isn't it? Like it's a mini tower. Who thought of this idea? So creative, don't you think? So there's a key if you want to like lock it. And oh my god, Rapunzel's dress is so detailed. So detailed. And look, Rapunzel is drawing like her friend Gecko. Is that a gecko? But anyway, it looks so funny like the gecko wearing like a dress. Anyway, looks so cute. Amazing, right? This is such a cute set. So it kind of reminds me of the Ariel's castle thing this year. It's kind of like that because Lego always makes these like small things that you can like lock and stuff like that. But this is also a very nice design. Very good idea. And the next one, I'm not so interested in this one because this is like for babies, like Duplo. But I think the babies would love it. So there's also like Olaf. Yep. Looks so cute, right? So it's kind of like creative sets, so you can make what you want. You can sort of like use your imaginations. There's not really a lot of pieces in this set though, but I guess the babies would love it. Yeah, because there's also Elsa, and you know, babies, lots of babies love Frozen. So, oh, you can also make a heart with these bricks. So this was the baby one for like Elsa, like this Frozen set. And let's see what's next. Yep. So, okay, let's see what's next. The next one also looks very interesting. You know, there was like this really, really big, expensive like Beauty and the Beast castle set. Remember, like quite a few years ago, I think maybe 2024, not so sure, but this is like much smaller version, and this is like more for little kids. And the beast, should I say, yeah, the beast can also turn into like a prince if we take this mask off. Yeah, but it says like Belle and the Beast. This set is called like Belle and the Beast Enchanted Castle. But isn't it Beauty and the Beast? But maybe I guess they just decided to call it Belle and the Beast. Anyway, that was Belle and the Beast Enchanted Castle, and this is like a Stitch set. So Stitch is inside, but actually I didn't like watch Stitch, so I don't know the story, but I like the little girl. I think the little girl looks very cute, but to be honest, Stitch kind of looks creepy, kind of looks scary. Yeah, so this is like this Stitch set, and there's also a small girl as well. So they have like almost the same height. So I guess Stitch is kind of big. I think Stitch is a little bit like old, like animation or movie or something like that, isn't it? So anyway, this is the Stitch set this year, and let's check out the other sets now. So let's see what's next. Okay, so the next set is also very interesting. It's a big set. Rapunzel's castle. It's a very big set, and it looks so wonderful, don't you think? And we even have Rapunzel's parents in this set, which is super cool. Yeah, I kind of forgot the story of Rapunzel, but anyway, Rapunzel's mom looks so pretty and she looks so young. I'm not so sure if it's actually Rapunzel's mom. Is it her sister? Anyway, she's drawing the weird drawing again. Anyway, oh my god, the inside looks so cozy. There's actually a lot of things to do, and yeah, looks so cool, right? It's actually very big. So this is the Rapunzel's castle set. It looks very interesting. Yeah, it looks so wonderful. Let's see the next set now. So The next set is yeah, so these like some interesting looking creatures. This is probably like Moana set, yeah, but I'm not so sure if they are actually creatures or just coconuts, like decorated coconuts. I didn't watch Moana actually. I think I should, but I didn't watch it yet. Anyway, these look interesting, but not so much interesting. But anyway, they look like this, and you can like make them, and I think you can put some stuffs inside if you want to. Yeah, so they look very fancy actually. So this is a Moana set, and let's see the next ones. So many new Disney sets this year actually. Okay, so the next one is, oh yeah, this one also looks interesting. Cinderella's animal like friend castle friend. I didn't see it anyway. So this is Cinderella's castle, and we've got a lot of animals, and I just love that cat. That cat was in like a bigger set like this year or maybe last year. There was like a big Cinderella castle, and I thought this cat looked so adorable, but that was such a big set. But this is smaller, and the cat is also included. And I think this set looks really nice too, and the cat looks so cute, right? It looks so adorable. The black cat looks so funny. So that's the cat, and let's see the next set now. Oh yeah, this is totally my favorite. Looks so wonderful. It's Ariel's royal wedding boat. This looks so fantastic. Don't you think this is like really my favorite? Looks so fantastic. There's like another woman in this set. Not so sure who it is. Maybe it's Ariel's sister, or I don't know. Does Ariel have like a stepmother? No, that's Cinderella, isn't it? Anyway, this boat looks so fantastic, and there's also, I think that's Ariel's dad maybe. Yeah, and Ariel can like change like dress and also like the mermaid body like that. This set looks so fantastic. I just like fell in love with this royal boat. Looks so good. Yeah, so fantastic. So this is the Ariel's royal boat set, which is totally fantastic. Now let's check out the other set now. Yeah, so we actually have another Moana set. I thought there was only like one, the interesting creatures, but we actually have another Moana set. This is a small village set with Moana, and is that Moana's little sister? Probably, I think. Yeah, and there's also like this white pig. Yeah, not so sure why there's like a white pig, but anyway, maybe it's kind of like their pet. Anyway, but I just love Moana's outfits. It's actually really detailed, and I think it looks really nice, don't you think? So yeah, so she's like grabbing coconuts. Looks so cute, right? So this is a Moana set, a small village. Looks very interesting. So now let's check out some other sets now. So yeah, I love the way they put like this blue handkerchief in the photo to make it look like the sea. Very cute and creative. So now let's see the next set. It's yeah, oh yeah, this is also my favorite. Jasmine's jewelry box looks so amazing, right? It's like Jasmine and the prince. Yeah, like they're flying in the sky, and it's like a jewelry box. Oh my god, so amazing, right? Don't you think? I think it's totally fantastic. And you can see like these cities underneath the clouds. Oh my god, this is such a great idea, don't you think? I don't have any jasmine at the moment, but anyway, like you can also pull out some drawers and put some items inside as well. Yeah, and if you turn this handle, jasmine is going to like go up and down, I think. Yeah, looks so cute. So this is the jewelry box. So many wonderful sets this summer, don't you think? So this is Jasmine set, and let's see the next set now. I think it's almost finished. Yeah, so we have like a little keychain, like a dog keychain, which looks very simple. I wonder who buys these like dog keychains. Anyway, a cute dog keychain, and the last one, let's see, the last one is like Alice in Wonderland brickheads. I also kind of forgot the story of like Alice in Wonderland as well, but anyway, I remember that rabbit with a watch, but the one on the right, which looks kind of strange, I don't know what that is. Kind of looks like a cat, or is that a fox? Or anyway, Alice looks very cute though, and we also have this person who kind of looks like a wizard from Wicked. Anyway, Alice looks very cute and her hair looks very nice actually. So these are all the 2026 summer Disney sets, and let's check out Gabby's dollhouse sets now. So we have like two Gabby's dollhouse sets. So this like fairy garden house set is a small set and I think it looks very nice, like with Gabby's new face print. Looks so cute, right? And there's like this small place inside. Yeah, looks very nice and cozy. I think this is for like younger kids. Yeah, very young kids. Looks so cute, right? This one is a small set, but the other one is actually quite expensive actually. It's a bit expensive. Yeah. It's like there's nothing really inside, but this one, the roller coaster tea party one, is a bit expensive to be honest. But anyway, the roller coaster looks very nice and I really love roller coasters. And there's also like Pandy and like there's like this cat unicorn. I think her name was like Kiko or Tico or kind of like that. I kind of forgot, but yeah, it's kind of like that. And Gabby's Dollhouse has like so many seasons, like 13 seasons. Now I'm watching like the 7th season. It's taking me such a long time actually. But anyway, these are all the Gabby's Dollhouse sets this summer. Now let's check out like Bluey sets. So we have like 4 new sets and I think this one looks so funny. So it's like Bluey and his friend, I think. I also didn't watch Bluey, but anyway, they look actually really hilarious with those. What are those actually? Like these sleeping bags, kind of like jacket or something. They look so cute. I think they look so funny with those. I don't even know what those are, but looks so funny. And Bluey wearing like those sunglasses looks so cute too. And they really seem sleepy. Like half their eyes are already like closed and like half the eye. They're kind of sleepy, I think. Yeah, they look so funny. So this is a Bluey set. And let's check out the other one now. So this one is kind of like for younger ones because as you can probably like see the way they look like is kind of like Duplo. So this is for like a bit more younger kids. And there's like a tree and also a swing and a very interesting looking car. And there's suddenly like pizza and the pizza is almost as big as Bluey. Imagine like a pizza as big as you. That's so gigantic. There's also a fireplace as well. I think this set looks very cute as well. And the kids are going to love it, I think. So this is the pizza thing set, and let's see the next set now. So this is kind of like Bluey like babysitting someone, but it's like, is that like thin purple thing? Is that a baby? It kind of looks strange. Doesn't really look like a baby. I wonder why they made those babies like that. It looks weird. It doesn't really look like a baby, like these purple thin something. Is that really a baby? Anyway, so we've got Bluey and Bluey's friend, I think a red one. Yeah, so it looks like this, a small house. So yeah, this set looks very interesting too. So these are 3 sets and we've got one more to check out. So let's see the last Bluey set. Okay, so yeah, so the last Bluey set is wait a sec, the last one is, let's check out the last one. Yeah, okay, so it's kind of like brickheads, but not really like brickheads, but like a little bit big one. And the 2 characters, they have like 2 for each character, like a long one and a shorter one. And they also have like lots of vases and like accessories as well, like fireplace, watermelon, and stuff like that. I think it's interesting, and we can also put some stuffs inside their head as well. And we can like change their faces like this. So I showed all the like 2026 summer Disney sets, Gabby's Dollhouse, and Bluey sets, and I can't wait to see them live. So this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.